10 essentials for any beginner trying to build muscle from an exercise scientist, physique competitor, personal trainer, and nutritionist. Number 1, start small. As a beginner, you're going to be able to respond to a much lower training volume. So 5 to 10 sets per muscle group with 2 to 3 sets per exercise is all you're going to need. Number 2, start with either a 3-day-a-week full body program or a 4-day-a-week upper/lower split. So upper, lower, upper, lower. Number 3, stick to a program for 6 to 8 weeks. Don't go chopping and changing trying to shock your muscles. It doesn't work. Number 4, don't get too bogged down with exercise selection, but have at least one compound exercise per muscle group that you can easily add weight to over time. Number 5, aim for 6 to 15 reps per set. Again, don't get too caught up in this. Pick a number and focus on increasing the weight over those 6 to 8 weeks with that number. Number 6, choose a weight where by the end of the amount of reps you've chosen, you feel like you could have completed 1 to 2 extra reps. Number 7, rest 1 to 2 minutes between sets. There is no advantage to resting a short amount of time. You need the rest to recover so you can lift the same amount of weight again. Number 8, put yourself in a 200 to 300 calorie surplus. You can find a rough idea of the number by searching the Harris-Benedict formula in Google. Number 9, aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Now obviously if you're very lean or very skinny, you can push this number higher. Up to 2.75 grams per kilogram body weight is the upper limit really. You don't want to be going too excessive because there's no advantage of that. Number 10, track everything. Your weight, your waist, your arms, your legs, the amount of weight you lifted, the amount of food you're eating, track everything. If you don't track these numbers, how are you going to know if you're responding well? And a bonus tip, take 3 to 5 grams of creatine daily. That's it, I'm out.